Hi, we are the Zed family and welcome to our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yay!
Like and comments.
I will give you 5 minutes to comment down below.
Yeah!
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. I look so good today. Love it. So guys, today we are going in Galway. We are already on the road for the last 2 hours. We actually had a stop. We charged our car. We had some food, and now we are 51 minutes away from Galway City, and we're so excited. Are you excited to go to Galway?
No, yes.
To be honest, I don't remember when we went to Galway last time. I think we were with my mom.
No, it was with your mom. It
With
was
my mom,
birthday.
yeah.
I think 3 years ago, 4 years ago, something.
I think 3 or 4 years ago, yeah. Like you see, 18 degrees, so it's not too bad. I hope it's going to be around 20 degrees. But I think we can enjoy, have a nice day, have a coffee, and
Actually, our trip's supposed to be to go to the beach, to stay overnight there, to sleep in the car.
we just realized the kids are going to school on Monday.
And last night we realized, oh my god,
Yeah.
tomorrow is Sunday, and that means Monday the kids
Yeah.
are going to school.
We
Okay.
totally forgot kids start to school, so we almost packed to stay overnight because, as you already know, as you already know, Tesla cars, they have a special mattress where you can make like your bed and sleep in the car. And actually, last year when we had our Europe trip, we did that and we slept in the car for a few times, and the girls just loved it. So yeah, we thought we were gonna do the same today, but then we realized, oh my god, no, they have to go to school tomorrow. But we're still gonna enjoy the weather and the sights, and yeah, I miss Galway. It's a beautiful city, so I can't wait to go again. Okay, so there are 21 degrees, but I'm freezing, guys. Really, I am. Cold for me. I want a holiday. I want at least 26 degrees or so. Guys. Andre. Everybody's watching, so I actually hate that. When you film and everybody's looking at you, they're like, oh, why is she filming? Why is she talking? What's that? So annoying. Yes, I was just telling everyone, like, so annoying because everybody's watching you. Oh, that was so rude. And they are. Like, everybody's watching you when you film and they're like looking at you and stuff like that. I don't like that.
Oh, the smell.
Smells like
The breeze.
oysters.
It smells like oysters, water, birds, flowers mixed all together.
Oh, yeah. Mixed of flavors.
Guys, like
What you did there?
I fell. And Tata, there's like a circle like that, and it doesn't let me to like walk like this.
Are you cheeky with me?
Yes, I am. Kind of happy.
Andre,
Yes.
Should we go on the wheel?
No, first
Let's
we're
go
going
to the beach
we're going
first.
down
Okay.
on the beach.
Yeah. Okay, you go, girl. You go.
The girls are very happy to be here.
Hey.
And oh. Zaha, mind yourself. Are you okay?
Cold is the ocean.
Atlantic Ocean, girl. Atlantic Ocean. It's cold. But it's not bad.
I'm so wet, Andre, so wet. Zendaya, put your shoes down, Mama. Next.
Very nice.
Mama, can you hold my shoes?
Yes. Leave them there.
Put them down, baby.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, Zaha. So we arrived in Salthill Galway. We're enjoying the Atlantic Ocean and gonna go grab nice coffee and just to unwind
We're
and relax.
gonna have a day here in Salthill in Galway.
Dada, come on, we have to climb the rock.
Yeah, we're gonna go climb the rocks. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Oh, sugar. Are you sure?
Sugar pie.
Sugar pie, are you sure?
Yes, I'm
Maybe
sure.
we should go that way because that's the dangerous place.
Go with me there.
What? Why are they shouting?
Because the fast drive is so scary that they're shouting. And I'm
I'm late. I'm not late at all. Where are we going? Woohoo! Oh my God! Let's have fun.
Get out! You were late.
So, Andre, how many tickets are we going to buy?
4 tickets. It's
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, are you scared? Me neither. We are the bravest. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go! And off we go! so scared.
Yes!
You're scared. Oh my god. You want to go there?
Wait, okay?
Can I do the other one?
You're do the other one.
Come on, Daddy, you can do it.
Get a gold one, get a gold one, get a
The
gold
gold
one.
one. Stop. I think it's from there is much better.
No, okay.
Okay.
Andre, I can't see anything.
Okay, now it's your turn. Now, together. This one.
Catch it, catch it. Come on, you can do it. Move around, Andre, move. Come on, guys, time is ticking. Yay!
Choose two teddies.
Okay, 2 teddies.
I want the purple and the pink teddy bear.
The purple.
You
So-
just get one each.
One each.
Zahara, which one do you
Which one
want?
do you want?
You want the pink of this? You want the pink?
No.
No, let her pick, Mama.
The gold one.
Which one? From here. From here.
No.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yay! Zendaya, can I see it? Zahara, can I see yours? Aw, so cute.
Bye.
look at Daddy! Hi!
You see everything I want to do, you have to say everything.
Hey, how was it?
Never again.
Tell me, Andre, did you get sick?
Yes.
Are you joking me? So why would you do that?
No, usually I like this kind of thing.
Yeah, because you're getting old. Don't do this anymore, Andre. That's for kids.
Different.
Oh, look how beautiful is this, Zendaya.
I like doing that.
Would you like to go on that?
No, I'm scared.
Okay, let's go on the cups and that's it. Oh my God. Zendaya. I don't know why you're doing this stuff, Andre. Old people shouldn't go on that. You are.
I'm still feeling still sick.
Happy Daddy. Look at Happy Daddy.
The famous churros.
Only few pieces.
Kinder Bueno.
Yeah, they're okay. Yeah.
Nahara, what do we have there? Bubblegum ice cream?
Raspberry.
Oh my God. It's so nice. The Latin Quarter Galway.
It is busy.
It is busy, yeah.
That's where we go to winter clothes.
Winter clothes.
Let's go inside and see what else they do. Let's go inside.
I don't want to go inside.
Where do you guys live again?
Of course they
Should we eat?
Are you hungry?
Yeah, you want to say need something. Oh my God, you're a disaster.
Why I'm disaster? Because I'm hungry always.
Oh, I would love to eat some.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fish, everywhere fish.
Everywhere is free.
Yeah, it's very nice. So this is an Irish bar.
Dada, I'm the same like you every day. Every time when I eat, I'm hungry in 5 minutes. Okay, then in 5 minutes, hungry again in 5 minutes.
Andre, look, all children left unattended will be given an espresso and a quickie then. No, Mama, they're joking. I know you won't accept, but they're joking. Yeah, they are joking, Mama. That was it, guys. Our day in Salthill. If you visit Galway yet, just want to let you know that's a perfect destination for the entire family. Full of amusement parks, mini golf, amazing coffee shops, delicious ice creams, and it's just perfect for a family day out.
Yeah, and don't forget, it's far away.
It's far away.
It's like 10.
It's far away from our house.